Smile, you're in Doncaster. I'm going to show you something cool in Doncaster today. When you are hungry, don't know what to eat, where to go, this place is going to sort you out. So let's go. This is French Gate. It's very close to the station. It's a supermarket. So it's not supermarket, it's a mall. So it's easy to find, and then from here, you just go straight in this direction. This is the High Street, and you will find all the High Street banks here because, it's the High Street. This is a marketplace in the daytime. Probably you can come again tomorrow if you want, see the market, but from here, if we go towards that side, so you can see it's that building with all the dark glass outside, and then you can see the big W. It's the Woolmarket. Yes, the name is a bit misleading. Something is happening, I don't know what. Temple is open. Ooh. Let's go inside. So the beauty here is that you've got multiple different kinds of food. And then you can taste it. Oh, this is nice. I like this one. Can I get the vegan falafel there, please? And I would like a Fanta if you have it cold.
Sorry?
I would like a Fanta if you have it cold.
Yeah, I'm cold.
Cold.
Yeah.
Chill.
Yeah.
Oh, I got my food. Now I'm gonna eat it. Starting to rain, which is not just Doncaster, which is just like England. So, these fries are very good. If it rains, I'm just gonna put my hoodie up and then eat. So, this is very good. Only problem with this is it's very heavy, very big. So, let's eat. It's very nice. So I ended up having to eat inside because it started to rain in like that nasty way, which was going to make my food soggy. So I went inside. It was okay inside as well. It's just a little bit less cool and also very noisy, so I could not talk to the camera inside. But here it is. This is the Woolmarket. This is one of my favorite places in Doncaster because you can get nice food, lots of choices within a very reasonable price. My food, my falafel was it was $9.95. So pretty reasonable, and it was really good. I end up not having to eat, but I end up eating the same thing from the same lunch counter. I go to the Greek one and I have the vegan falafel there because I just like it very much, and I don't come here so often that I would get bored with it. So kind of like, yeah. But there are like video games inside, arcade games inside, lots of tables, so you never have problem of place. They have toilets which are clean and kept clean, which I like. And also they've got some live music sometimes in there. It's only open from Thursday to Sunday. So it's closed other days. But nice place to hang out. Thank you for watching today. This is it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.